Say goodbye to your old and slow laptop and say hello to the HP Fortinet laptop, a stunning and powerful device that will amaze you with its performance, battery life, and display. This laptop can do everything you want and more, thanks to the 11th generation Intel Core i3 processor that has a 4GB of DDR4 memory and 512GB of PCIe SSD storage. You can also enjoy stunning visuals on the 14-inch HD Micro Edge display, which has a thin bezel that gives you more screen space. And you don't have to worry about running out of power because this laptop has a long-lasting battery that can last up to 11 hours and 30 minutes of video playback. For the information of everybody, that this laptop has a class supports of HP Fast Charge technology, which can charge your battery up to 50% in just 45 minutes. What are you waiting for? This laptop HP Fortinet is a limited edition product that is selling out fast. Don't miss this chance to get your hands on this awesome device. Trust me, you won't regret it.